don't know how good a picture I'm getting, but finally made a little bit of success in getting the light rail vehicle that I've been working on for one of Brian Lynch's customers at Model Rail Scenes. So I'll turn camera back around and you guys can tell me what you think. The only thing that I didn't do on this was 3D print those shells. Those shells were 3D printed by somebody else. They're a light rail vehicle that I guess runs down in the Hoboken, New Jersey area where the gentleman that is contracting us to do this for him. Basically using a couple of Walters switcher drives and one of the mechanisms that we used was cut in a couple of pieces so that we could actually make a real articulated model. So there's one truck under each of the long cars and there's one truck underneath the small center section, which I'm told is actually the power unit on the prototype. Let's see if I can get in close up here and give you guys a running look. I'm running it kind of quick simply because, and yeah, the center droops a little bit, but like I said, it's still a work in progress. And this is basically a test run. I've been working on this project now for pretty close to a month. Month, 5 weeks. So today's a good day after a lot of frustration. And basically it was frustration on how am I going to do this? You know, how do you actually build something out of really just a bunch of parts and pieces that somebody hands to you in a box? Well, anyways, Nelson Mowgli from the Kennebec Penobscot Northern Layout. Hope you enjoyed the little video. I'll put this up on YouTube, and I'm giving a shout out to Brian Inch, Model Rail Scenes, located in downtown Augusta, Maine, 227 Water Street. I don't have his phone number right with me. It's in my phone, so I will put that in the link to this video. And hope you guys enjoyed a little bit. While you're at it, this is a little bit of my my messy layout for now. Anyways, signing off. Talk to you soon. Bye.